Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned pro, having the right tools makes a massive difference. Let's go through 20 essential electrician tools that can make your work easier, safer, and faster. Let's start with the basics. Screwdrivers and nut drivers. These are important for loosening and tightening screws and nuts, often used when working with outlets, panels, and terminals. Pliers come in different types: needle nose, side cutting, and lineman's pliers. They're great for gripping, twisting, cutting, and pulling wires, which is a big part of any electrical job. Next up is wire strippers. These allow you to remove insulation from electrical wires without damaging the conductor inside. This makes it the perfect tool for prepping wires for connections. Even in electrical work, precise measurements matter. A measuring tape helps you get accurate distances for letting out conduit, wiring, or aligning fixtures. A voltage tester tells you if there's live electricity present in a circuit or electrical system. As a safety precaution, always test before touching any wires to avoid unwanted shocks. Multimeters are crucial for diagnosing electrical issues. They measure voltage, current, and resistance, helping you pinpoint faults in circuits quickly. Running wire through walls. The fish tape helps you pull wires through conduit or tight spaces with ease. Electrical tape, on the other hand, is for insulating connections, and it also provides a visual cue that wires are secured and protected. Next, cable ties keep wires organized and secure, which is essential for safety and tidiness. Installing outlets or panels. A level ensures everything is straight and level, making your work look neat and professional. Finding this list interesting so far? Like and subscribe for more helpful tips like this one. Next, when you need to shape conduit to fit around corners, a conduit bender gets the job done without damaging the tubing. Tracking circuits can be tricky. A circuit finder helps you identify which breaker controls which outlet or fixture, making it very handy for troubleshooting. Clamp meter lets you measure current without direct contact. Just clamp it around a wire to get a reading perfect for high current applications. A non-contact thermometer detects temperature from a distance. It's ideal for identifying overheating equipment or wires before they cause problems. Need quick measurements? Laser distance meters are more accurate than a tape measure, especially over longer distances. Reliable lighting is essential, especially in dark areas. A headlamp keeps your hands free and your workspace well lit. Working with electrical systems pose several hazards and risks. Wearing insulated gloves protect you from electric shocks, especially when working with high-voltage equipment. A well-organized tool belt or bag keeps your tools accessible and ready to go. It's a must-have for moving around efficiently on the job. When you need to cut conduit or even studs, a reciprocating saw gives you the power and precision to get it done quickly. Lastly, a label maker keeps your work organized by labeling wires and panels. It's a small step that makes future maintenance so much easier. So which of these tools do you use the most? Let us know in the comments. Make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content on industrial safety. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, always.